Hello again, you are back with Josh here, and this time I've got Paul from the Surfin Birds, a local alternative rock band who are currently catching the limelight of the local music scene. It's a privilege to have you here, as always, and as someone who, again, I'm massively into my music, it's really refreshing to see someone catching the limelight and being so local to our local area. So, got a few questions for you, if that's all right. So first off, I'd like to ask about how you got together. What's the story behind it?
Well, me and my brother, I've known him for quite a few years, obviously. I don't know, we just got together because there was nothing better to do, really.
Yeah.
All my other bands moved away, so we thought we'd do something together. We played a lot in our bedrooms years ago, so, you know, it's kind of a natural thing, I guess. Yeah.
And how did you come up with the name, Surfin Birds? Where did that come from?
We're a massive Family Guy.
Right.
Fans. No, that's a load of shite. No, it's, I don't know, like, it was our old bass player that came up with it.
Right.
I don't know, we just needed a name, sounded alright. I just thought, yeah, that'll do. Do you know what I mean? It was
Absolutely.
better than some of the rubbish we were coming up with, like the Moon Cups.
The Moon Cups.
Yeah, and some other rubbish. Yeah.
And who are your inspirations? Bit sort of mainstream people or someone we might not have heard of?
Yeah, probably quite a few people you haven't heard of. I don't know, loads of people really. I listen to all sorts. A lot of old stuff though.
Yeah.
A lot of old blues and I don't know, like 60s surf and stuff, all the British scene, all the like kind of Rolling Stones and the Animals and them, the Yardbirds, all them kind of bands really. Plus like the Shadows and the Tornadoes and all the kind of, I don't know, them kind of bands. You know, Tarantino, you might hear that kind of stuff from the Tarantino films. But yeah, that kind of thing.
And who writes your songs and what do you do to find lyrics?
I write them all.
Yeah.
And I produce it all.
Where do you sort of take your lyric inspiration from? Just
to know, women, drugs, and experiences. Something like that, I guess. I don't know.
And what are your short and long-term goals for Surfin Birds?
I don't know, to get my brother out of bed in the morning. That's my short-term goal. To get to practices. If he's out there and he sees this, you'll know what I mean.
What about long-term then? Where do you see yourself maybe in 5 years' time?
Oh, I don't know, mate. I don't know. We've only been going for like 4 years, I guess. So, I don't know. Who knows? I'm going to Australia soon. We're going out there for a bit. So.
Yeah. So touring around or?
Yeah. Well, I went out there like the start of last year and on my own, and played some shows, like a couple of jams and things. So yeah, we're going to try and get out there, go to Australia because I'm not allowed in the US because I've got a criminal record.
All right. And have you collaborated with any other artists? Or do you wish to even, maybe?
What do you mean, with the Surfin Birds? Or?
Yeah, have you collaborated?
Yeah, we've got a record coming out like this summer. It's our second album. Right. Whereas the first one, I guess I wrote all the songs and kind of co-produced it with my friend. But this one, yeah, I have collaborated with other writers, and we have a new member in the band called Squidhead, and he's written a couple of tunes as well. So, yeah, I guess it's a bit better as well because it kind of takes the pressure off.
Yeah, of course.
Trying to do everything.
And as a random last question, do you like donuts?
Do I like donuts? Not jam ones.
Not jam ones?
No.
But would you be willing to take part in our donut challenge?
I'll eat a jam donut.
We'll eat a jam donut. So this is where we go over to Lizzie as we take on our next challenge. So thank you very much.
No worries.
Over to
Cheers,
Lizzie.
Josh.
Thank you again, Josh. Now, Surfin Birds have volunteered for Paul to take part in the challenge we have coming up, but we do need another volunteer. So does anyone fancy it? Oh, straight away?
Yes, I'll do it.
What's your name?
I'm Oliver.
Oliver, would you like to come this way? Ollie for short or Oliver?
Whatever you want to prefer. Ollie, let's do Ollie.
Okay.
Yeah. I just need to be
Oh,
done.
this way. Take a seat.
Hello, hello.
Now this is called the donut challenge. And basically, we have to do is eat the whole donut without licking your lips. So should we start on 3?
Are we allowed to touch it?
Yeah.
You're allowed to touch it.
No, I mean prepare.
Yeah, prepare. Both prepare.
Oh, I can see jam already.
As quick as you can without
That's
licking your
amazing.
lips.
What, quick?
1, 2, 3.
You're dribbling. You're dripping like, oh, look at that, man. Oh, man.
Looks like we've got a winner. Paul, you've passed with flying colours. Thank you for that valiant effort. But unfortunately, Ollie, you haven't. Back to Josh with the surfing birds.
That's all we've got time for tonight, guys. Join us next time on the next episode of College Bus. We've got one more treat for you tonight, guys. We've got the Surfing Birds playing us out. Enjoy.